flight is at 1 p.m.
Continue
533. Go, go, go.
There you go, 180, yeah. Perfect. And continue the turn.
Oh my God! Hello! So, nana ko diri sa Edmond Station, sa train station. Natay sundoon na babaita. Hello!
Welcome to our vlog, Char. Ready na ba kayo? We're sexy, kaya sa Muscar. Kaya sa Muscar. Stella, where are you at? Beijing? Why did you ditch us? Hi guys!
Hello!
What's up, mananap?
What's up, mananap?
We're on our way now to... Asa kayo, tate?
To the moon!
And to the sun!
Okay po ng kwanda. Ang GoPro. Like dynamite.
Yeah, right on Skyway. Turn on Skyway Street. I'll send you the information.
So guys, we're just waiting for your text message.
Get the
Oh, we got
there
it
you
now.
go.
Your flight is at 1 p.m.
Continue
5333-216 Langley.
The field.
The field, it's where we'll have our field trip. So guys, we're in the middle of the kasabutan. Kasabutan here.
Sa basin ng among Alex daw.
Kabito, diba? So, oh my gosh, you're not alone. We're in this together. So guys, we're already on our way. 4 more minutes. So guys, tungos na ka-fresh, we can smell the grass. Imagine if marijuana.
I can see clearly now that we are.
So we're almost on our way.
Oh!
Look at those airplanes! Hi, this is our captain. Our captain for today. Captain.
Oh my God!
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Goodbye. You guys! Oh my gosh. Hi guys. So napaabot ko rin ate Angelique. She's up there.
bungee jumping experience. It's just so cool. Oh my god.
Well, I'm really happy you like this.
I love it. I just don't like it. I love it.
I love that, yeah. Some people, you know, they don't like it, they get the air sick.
Oh, no, 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 not me.
Yeah.
I'm not that guy. Thank you so much for bringing me back safely.
You know what, and the thing is, if you like it that much, that means you could be a really good pilot.
Really?
Yeah, I think, yeah, because you're not afraid of it, you're not intimidated.
No.
You know what I mean? Like, you enjoy it, and that's what drives you to be a pilot.
Turn!
There, steps.
What are you most excited
I'm
about?
excited about the view.
Ah, you're gonna love it. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Bye. Did you enjoy? Yeah. Oh my god.
Bye. Thank you. I got more drinks.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching our video today. It was fun co-piloting an airplane, pero I was just like maneuvering right, left, up, down. 2,500 feet above ground. Right? Tama ba? So I don't know what was the name of the airplane. I don't know what kind. Basta airplane to siya. And the thought that, you know, it's a bucket list. Like, right? Who wouldn't want it? So anyway, I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Click the all bell button and comment, like this video, and check out my other videos for more fun experience. I'll see you soon on my next one, and don't forget not to forget. I don't know why you don't want to forget. Okay, bye. Love you.